Well, I got my Volkswagen, my 1302 Super Beetle back from Advanced Chassis, and I'm going to show you what they did. Very customized for my needs, and also showing their specialty in NHRA. A lot of 6, 7, 8 second cars, and also the Tractor Pull Society. I don't know the names of all those different types of dragsters that they use at the tractor pulls, but there's a lot of those concepts and formulas of what they've done on my car, my Super Beetle. So they put in and they call it an 850 cage, but it's very modular, so I can utilize it with nothing or with just a couple, 4-point or 6-point, all the different stuff. They call it an 850 cage. So I guess you can, NHRA, you can go up to 8.5 and a quarter miles. So here we go. I'm going to show you it.